This video is for the Year 9 moving into Year 10 Triple Science Biology pupils only. Welcome to the first lesson for Triple Science Biology. As you have opted for Triple, you will have an additional 5 lessons a fortnight for Triple Sciences. Normally 2 of Biology, 2 of Chemistry and 1 of Physics. And we swap over in Year 11 so everybody gets equal numbers of lessons of each of the 3 sciences. This is on top of your regular 9 lessons of science a fortnight, 3 each of biology, chemistry and physics. So you will need to be making a start on the first 3 booklets for double science. So for Unit 1 in biology, that is cells and movement across cell membranes. For Unit 1 in chemistry, nature of substances and chemical reactions. And for Unit 1 in physics, electrical circuits. Along with these few additional triple lessons. So for biology, we're going to start on leaf structure and transport in plants. For Mrs. Lees's chemistry, she will be starting some lessons on limestone, and Mr. Ruddy in physics will be starting some lessons on light, reflection and refraction. So in this first short lesson, we will recap and revise what you already know about plant cell structure and functions of cell organelles, as you can see in the objective. Your starter activity is to use these images to have a little think about what adaptations the leaves have for photosynthesis. So in this leaf, we can see the water sitting on the surface of the leaf because of its waxy cuticle. This is Gunnera, huge plant. It's related to the rhubarb family. Massive leaves, so big surface area for trapping light. Very thin leaves here that we can see the light is actually passing through the surface of the leaf. This is a banana leaf or part of a banana leaf, and these leaves are huge, meters long. And this is our traditional holly from Christmas, very shiny, waxy cuticle, to prevent water loss here. You should have your booklet, Plant Structure, Leaf Structure and Transport in Plants in front of you. Turn to page 2 in the booklet, and before I turn to the next slide, see if you can label the cell organelles, the parts, on the diagram to refresh your memory about cell structure in plant cells. And here we can see the answers. Check you have them in the right order. The ones people often get mixed up are these 2, the cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall is always around the outside, and you can remember it by saying the wall goes around the outside of the cell. And then see if you can match up the structures to their functions in the table underneath on page 2. So the answers are for what controls what goes in and out of the cell. This is the cell membrane. What contains the genetic material. This is the nucleus, and it controls the cell. Surrounds the cell and gives it support is the cell wall, and contains chlorophyll and absorbs sunlight are our chloroplasts. Contains cell sap and gives support is the vacuole, and where all the chemical reactions happen would be in the cytoplasm. Don't forget what you've learned from the first unit for the double award work. There are also ribosomes, which are for protein synthesis, and mitochondria, which help to release energy in the cell.